Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be doing a Mejuri jewelry unboxing. If you guys are interested, then keep on watching. So I ordered Mejuri online for the first time and it just came with this plain cardboard box with a sticker, which I will open with my handy dandy scissors. So when you first open the box, it'll come with a card saying this jewelry is handcrafted for, and then your name and another card with your order number will be handwritten. So it comes with a dust bag, and when you open it up, it'll have the white magnetic box on the inside. And then more dust bags on the inside. And there it is. So this is the first pair that I got, and they're a pair of pearl hoop earrings. I was looking for my second pair, but I didn't realize where they were until later, and I found out that they were actually behind the first pair. I'll show you in a little bit. So when you pull the string up, it'll have the second pair. I actually thought they would be individually packed and like I'll have separate boxes, but I guess not. The second pair of earrings that I got are these white gold hoops. The first pair that I got these organic pearl hoops with plated gold hardware. In a little bit, I'll show you guys what it looks like with me wearing them on. And here you go. Now for my second piece, like I said, I got these 14 karat white gold hoop earrings, and they're very light and dainty. Here's what it looks like with me wearing them. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.